The Senate has urged the federal government to declare a state of emergency on the growing menace of drug abuse in the country. The Senate also directed its Committee on NAFDAC, Drugs and Narcotics to liaise with relevant federal government agencies to convoke a national summit on the state of drugs and narcotics abuse in the country. These resolutions follow the consideration of a motion titled Urgent Need to Address the Menace of Drug Abuse in Nigeria, sponsored by Senator Bangida Uba Hosiani, representing Jigawa Northwest Federal Constituency at the plenary. Raising the motion, Senator Uba noted that Nigeria is currently facing a rise in drug abuse which has reached an unprecedented level.
The Senate is disturbed that a significant number of deaths from accidents and violent crimes have been traced to the activities of persons under influence of drugs, especially the discovery of more dangerous substances called kurkura in the north, while in the south we have what we call the mili. The Senate is worried that the prevalence of drug abuse in Nigeria is a public health challenge which seems to be on the rise, on the increase, despite intervention by international, regional, federal and state bodies through laws, policies and technical inputs.
Contributing to the debate, senators, while supporting the motion, call for urgent actions to be taken in strengthening existing legal, policy and institutional frameworks to face the challenges with all sense of responsibility.
The future of every country lies on its use. And now when you have something that is destroying your use, it shows that your future is in jeopardy. This thing is everywhere. It's everywhere. Even celebrities, they're into it. Even celebrities, those that are supposed to show good example, lead the way for others to follow, they are also into it. Politicians alike.
The issue of drugs, menace, in a society is very dangerous, and it has destroyed many society. It is hurting the economy of many society.
The onus is also on government to make sure that we create avenues that will take away the minds of these children from indulging in this.
This Senate calls for a declaration of emergency, a national emergency, on the issue of drug and narcotics crisis in this country, so that all our national resources can be channeled towards it.
Most of the things that are listed in the prayer of this paper would have been taken care of if this law is passed. Unfortunately, the 9th Senate passed the law and it was submitted to Mr. President, but very late. So the law has been brought back. We are making effort to submit it. I therefore want to seize this opportunity to solicit the support of members that as we have shown interest, that we should show interest so much in facilitating the passage of this bill.
President of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, commended the mover of the motion for bringing it before the Senate.